This week's Safety Toolbox Talk is on a couple of topics. What we're doing here is we're doing a massive demo project on a supported scaffold, but guess what? This supported scaffold is cantilevered out over water. So we've got the maritime standards of OSHA, the 1915 standards that require particulars, safety particulars for working over water. And then we've also got our general standard construction industry where we've got a massive demo operation going on here, and we've automated it with a chipper on a machine back here. And we have our own Berglund operator doing this work. And our plan here is to have structural drawings showing us how much weight capacity this scaffold over water can handle. And what we do is we chip throughout the day, and then at the end of the day, in the beginning in the morning, we take all this and we take it up above into dumpsters. This is going to go on for quite some time. We've got a span of about 140 feet that we're going to be demoing out. Up on top, we have a spotter for our operator. He's always standing behind the guardrail system. And if you look at our cantilever here over water, look at what we've done for fall protection. We've barricaded, we built it up even higher so that we don't have fragments of concrete going over the edge, but we've also plywooded above. It's all the way up to 48 inches, where a typical top rail on guardrail is at 42 inches. And then the maritime standard also requires a ring buoy with 200 feet of line every 200 feet of scope. So we've centered this one here, and that brings us into the maritime standards of compliance. But all of this underside, including up above here, is going to be getting demoed off. And as we progress this winter season, we're going to build a shelter over the top of this thing, and our tradesmen will be down in here reframing this out. So it's always going to be a friendly environment, keeping in mind a safe and healthful work environment for our tradesmen, well thought out. Once again, we've got our ladder, so you got ladders incorporated into the maritime standards and the construction standards, where you've got your 4-to-1 angle. It's secured at the top, it's cleated at the bottom. A lot of good stuff going on down here. And then once again, when we get into the hand demo to get in between these flange members, our gentlemen will be following the silica standards, because we can only demo off so much off of these beams. All the inner core of these beams has to be taken out with hand chipping guns. So at that point in time, our gentlemen will be wearing full face masks, face shields. We've got some big fans down here for ventilation. If need be, we'll have the Tyvek suits on. So this week we're talking a little bit about the maritime standards working over water and demo operations with that silica entity once again. Keeping an eye on our PPE. Let's have a safe week.